Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by the maximalist,
Siwo,
the football technocrat.
you know, football technocrat, maximalist,
It's KG.
believer in young talent.
Israel.
Siwo,
Most underrated card.
you know, what's it? Siwo, what's happening?
Yeah. Va.
Do you trust in your strength and your capabilities as a presenter on the show?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's one thing that I want to say to you
Yes.
before I go into my analysis.
Sharp, man.
Can we stop talking about other platforms or other shows?
Sure. Sure.
And I'm gonna say it right now,
Yeah.
and probably for the first time and last time.
Sharp.
We don't promote other channels or platforms.
Yes.
Mama FANS Wethu.
Yes, right, man.
One?
Yes, right, man.
Azanga wabona KFC complainer chicken leg and faga too much spice. Understand? We don't badmouth anyone.
Yeah.
We remain focused
Sure.
on the path.
Sure.
Yarin, I think Mama FANS Wethu has done well. Considering where we started as a channel. We are not even 3 years old, I think. Probably less than 3, because we actually started a season or 2 ago, if I'm not mistaken. So let's not promote other shows. Let's continue doing what we always do. And this is to speak football, to make the viewers happy.
Sure.
And just forget about negativity. Understand? That is how you roll. That is how you maintain your dignity, and stable as a presenter of Mama FANS Wethu. Sure. Let me go into the game, Steve.
Sure.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates Football Club.
Yes.
Congratulations to their coach. I think they are on track to become one of the powerhouses this season.
Sure.
Do you know that it's 8 out of 8 for him, the coach? 8 wins out of 8. Unstoppable.
That's a 3.
Unstoppable. And you know why?
Why?
Because he's got a team, he's got depth. He's got a team that can compete at the highest level. For me, Orlando Pirates are actually the team to beat this season. They are a team that is very strong, to be honest. You look at the setup of the team, you look at the profile of the players that they have right now. These guys, they have a championship winning team. Understand them? They've identified their mistakes. Last season, they ran out of steam. They had a team that could compete, but they ran out of steam because they didn't have depth. Now they've rectified those mistakes. They've got depth. They've got the Ntwana Bareke Siema, they've got Mbokazi. Siwo, do you know how these boys were together this season? Would you believe it?
I don't.
Bona.
I don't.
Those boys are very good, Steve. I always look at these young boys and you know, they make it look very interesting. This is what we need. Competitiveness. Mbokazi is a rare talent. Rare talent. He's not only talented, he's a rare talent. You think that he has played football
10 seasons.
10 seasons. 10 seasons plus. Or he's been in the game for decades, and he's only young, Stibo. The boy is going places. We need to be honest about him. Mbokazi is a quality player, he's a rare talent. Congratulations to the scouts of Orlando Pirates for identifying such talent. Abona really William Mufukeng. Abona Ntwana. Ntwana Zetse too, they're going places. They must just try to protect Mufukeng, because you know, I think fatigue is starting to creep in. He has played a lot of games.
True.
But I have no doubt that they can be able to still win, despite the fact that was struggling here and there. I think he had a good first half. He had a good first half, ne? And he doesn't delay progression when he has the ball because he plays the 1-2. I said it a while back when I was here when they played against Mamelodi Sundowns. I said Rele can play a better than Tito. Understand? Because he allows the game to flow. He doesn't overcarry the ball. They played on the 4-2-3-1 system. Mahopa was doing the hard work, but it was not that penalty took him out of the game. But I'll say it now. Pirates will win the Betway Premiership this season. You'll remember my word. They will win it is their season. They will win the Betway Premiership this season, Steve. You'll remember me. You'll remember me. I'm the first to say it right now because they've got a team that is capable of beating anyone in the league. There's no team that is as good as Orlando Pirates in the league right now. Understand? So congratulations to them. On to the next one is the quarterfinals. I hope to win tomorrow. And also maybe draw your favor, win and then your favor against one. Just make football a bit interesting. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. They played very good football. Why isn't King? But we what is Lamtut, guys? What is Lamtut? Ke Lamtut, ke sare Lamtut over rebo mayonnaise. Understand? With respect, a bit of respect goes a long way. But they must just focus on winning the league. The last time Pirates won the league was in 2012, right? Tamara, wait. It was in 2012 when they won the league, and I think they are on track to actually do well. Do you know the last time they won the league? Tamara was 8 years old at the time. The last time Pirates won the league. So it tells you it's a long time. It's a long time. I think I witness Pirates win a league. He didn't. Understand. So let them have it this season. They've got a team that can be able to compete. But before
the last time Kaizer Chiefs win M28, list under 10.
High school?
No.
Matric.
Grade A. The last team Kaizer Chiefs win M28. It was on the high school. I don't know get span.
When I was 12.
When I was 12 years old.
So no.
We win ngabo mashamaite ene le goal mashamaite bekuyitshayisa.
Yeah.